If you want to start trading crypto on OKX but have no idea where to begin, this tutorial is going to take you from complete beginner to placing your first trades with confidence. I'm going to show you everything step by step. How to set up your account, deposit funds, navigate the trading platform, and execute your first trade. OKX can look overwhelming when you first see it, but once you get the hang of the basics, it's actually one of the most powerful and user-friendly exchanges out there. Most tutorials skip the important stuff or assume you already know things that beginners don't. That's definitely not happening in this video. And with my exclusive link in the description, you unlock massive welcome rewards. New OKX users can earn up to 145 USDT in bonuses just by completing simple tasks like your first deposit and trade. I'll show you exactly how to claim all of this throughout the video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use OKX and how to maximize every single bonus available. Now, here's why OKX is one of my top choices for exchanges. OKX is one of the largest and most trusted exchanges in the crypto industry, designed for both beginners and professional traders. It's been around since 2017 and consistently ranks in the top 5 exchanges globally by trading volume. OKX offers fast and simple registration where you can start trading in minutes. The platform has deep liquidity. This means your orders fill at the price you see with minimal slippage, even when using leverage. They offer a massive range of coins, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to hundreds of altcoins. OKX is known for listing promising projects early, which means you can get into opportunities before they hit other exchanges. Multiple trading options: spot trading, futures with up to 100 times leverage, copy trading, and even options trading, which only a few other exchanges offer on their platform. And here's the big one. OKX is extremely generous with bonuses. OKX combines security, liquidity, diversity, and massive rewards, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced traders. Now that you know why I like the platform, let's get started. First, click the link in the description. Using this link is essential to unlock all the exclusive bonuses I just mentioned. You can sign up with your email or continue with Google, Apple, Telegram, and even their native OKX wallet. For this tutorial, I'll sign up using Gmail. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main dashboard. At the top right, click on Assets and click on My Assets. You'll see different wallet options and account types. OKX uses different account types to help you organize your trading. Here's what each one means. Funding account. This is where your deposits land first. Think of it as your main wallet on OKX. Trading account. This is for spot trading where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies at market prices without leverage. It's ideal for holding assets or simple trading. In this account, you will see your funds for your futures trading or leverage trading, allowing you to take larger positions than your balance allows. Grow account. This is the account where you can stake your coins and earn passive rewards over time. Here you can see the APR for each coin. You can also check here the P&L analysis of your account, such as asset analysis, spot analysis, and futures analysis. And then there's the order center. In here you can see your order history, trading history, bots borrowing data, and funding history. You can also check your fee tier, account statement, and proof of reserves review to prove that OKX has a full reserve for all its clients. On the navigation bar, you can also see different sections like markets for general overview of the crypto space and news that can affect price action. Grow, where you can stake coins and loan crypto. Institutional, where you can see insights, APIs, broker program, and more. Underlearn, you can see all the educational materials that OKX provides, from buying your first crypto to prices, news, and blogs. And when you click on more, you can see here products that is exclusive to OKX. In here, you can also see the campaign center, rewards, referral, VIP program, affiliate dashboard, ventures, and more. Everything is organized clearly so you can find what you need fast. Now that you know the basics, let's get some money into your account. Go to Assets at the top menu, then click Deposit. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies you can deposit. For this tutorial, I recommend choosing USDT because it's the main trading pair for futures on OKX. Next, select your network. I recommend using the Tron network or TRC20 because it has very low fees and fast confirmation times. Once you select USDT and TRC20, OKX will generate your personal deposit address. Copy it carefully. Make sure you copy the entire address. Then go to your current exchange or wallet. paste the address, and send your crypto. It usually takes 5 to 15 minutes to arrive. Pro tip, always send a small test amount first, maybe $10 to $20, and double check that the network matches on both sides. This prevents you from losing funds due to a wrong network. Now here's where the bonuses start. If you deposit at least $50 and hold it for 2 days, you earn 5 USDT trading bonus. That's literally free money just for depositing. If you don't have crypto yet, you can buy directly on OKX using your local currency. Go to Buy Crypto in the top menu. You'll see 2 options for buy and sell via Express and P2P trading. With Express, you can buy USDT instantly using various payment methods. Just choose your currency, select USDT on the receive side, enter the amount, and choose a payment method. If you're using P2P trading, you can buy USDT directly from other users. You select a seller, follow their payment instructions, and the USDT gets released to your funding account. For most people, buying with Express is the fastest option. If you deposited Bitcoin or another crypto but need USDT for trading, here's how to convert it. Go to Trade from the main menu and click on Convert. OKX's Convert feature is super simple. Select the crypto you want to convert from, like BTC. Then select USDT. Is the crypto what you want to receive? Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert and click Convert. This instantly converts your Bitcoin to USDT with 0 fees, which then appears in your account. After that, your funds are ready to transfer to your futures account so you can start leverage trading. Go to Assets and go to the Trading tab and click Transfer. Select USDT as the currency, choose from funding account to trading account, enter the amount you want to trade with, and click Transfer. This step is important because if your USDT stays in the fund-in wallet, you won't be able to open futures positions. Once the transfer is complete, you'll see your USDT balance in your trading account, and you're ready to start trading. Now let's move on to what you're waiting for, futures trading. Go to Trade in the main navigation, then click Futures, and select USDT margin. You can also choose USD margin if you prefer USD instead of USDT. You can also see on the far right the option Crypto Margin. This is a futures type which is settled in your own crypto, also known as inverse futures. But for beginners, I recommend using USDT margin because it's the most common and has the highest liquidity. After clicking USDT margin futures, it will bring you to the futures trading dashboard. This is where you'll be doing most of your trading. I'll break down every section so it makes perfect sense. Here's what you'll see on the trading screen, trading pair. Selection is at the left side. This is where you choose which crypto to trade, like BTCUSDT, ETHUSDT, or any other altcoin. OKX has hundreds of pairs available. You can see the price chart in the center. It shows the historical price movement, and you can change the time frame however you like. OKX uses TradingView charts, which are industry standard and very powerful for technical analysis. You can see the order book on the right. Red numbers are sell orders, and green numbers are buy orders. This shows real-time market depth so you can see where the liquidity is. Order placement panel is at the bottom. This is where you'll place your trades, set leverage, and enter your position size. This is the control center for opening and closing trades. Positions panel is at the bottommost part. It shows your active trades, your open orders, order history, and more. This is where you monitor everything once your trade is live. Everything you need is right here on one screen, ready to trade. Before placing any trade, you need to configure 2 important settings. First, choose your margin mode. OKX offers 2 options. Cross margin. All positions share the same margin balance. If one trade gets liquidated, it can affect your entire account. This is riskier. Isolated margin. This protects the rest of your account. If the trade goes wrong, you only lose what you put into that specific position. The rest of your balance is safe. For beginners, always use isolated margin to protect your account. Second, set your leverage. OKX allows up to 100 times leverage on certain pairs, but do not use high leverage as a beginner. Stick to 5 times to 10 times maximum. Here's how it works. If you have a $10 balance with 5 times leverage, you get $50 in position buying power. This means you're controlling $50 worth of Bitcoin with only $10 of your own money. Higher leverage means higher risk. Your liquidation price gets closer to your entry, so one wrong move can wipe out your position. For this example, I'm using 5 times leverage on isolated margin. Okay, now let's place a long trade, as betting Bitcoin will go up. Choose market order so it executes instantly at the current market price. You'll see different order entry options. For beginners, I recommend using the simple amount entry where you just type in how much USDT you want to use. Set your position size. For example, a $50 position. With 5 times leverage, that's $10 of your own capital. Now for every trade you will take, remember to always set stop loss and take profit. This is non-negotiable. Click TP/SL to open the settings. Set your stop loss at a price where you'd lose $2 and your take profit at a price where you'd gain $6, a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. Once everything is set, click Buy Long. Your trade is now live. You'll see it in the Positions panel, your entry price, current profit and loss, and liquidation price. To short the market, just choose Sell Short instead of Buy Long. Same process, but you're betting the price will go down. As your trade moves in your favor, you can adjust your stop loss to secure profits. Once you're up a few dollars, move your stop loss to break even so you can't lose money on the trade. You can also increase or reduce your position while it's active using the Add Margin buttons in the Positions panel. To close your trade, you have a few options. Let your TP or SL close it automatically when the price hits your target. Close manually with the Close button in the Positions panel. Close a percentage of the position if you want to take partial profits. Pro tip, don't get greedy. If you hit your take profit target, close the trade. The market will always give you another opportunity. Quick reminder about the OKX bonuses with my link. You get 5 USDT for your first deposit, 5 USDT for your first trade, and bonuses for trying trading bots and copy trading. As your trading volume increases, you unlock bigger rewards, up to 50 USDT at $1 million volume. Everything's tracked automatically in your rewards hub. Alright, so that's the full breakdown of how to trade futures on OKX, from signing up to depositing to opening and managing your first trade. I'll also be uploading more OKX tutorials covering topics like advanced trading strategies, copy trading, trading bots, and how to maximize your bonus rewards. So subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss them. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I read every single one and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.